At sa pagpapatuloy ng ating 2019 Honda PBA Philippine Cup brought to you by the all-new Honda Click, the official motorcycle of the PBA, is about to go get on. Atin sa atin to ng Cobra Energy Drink simula ng labanan ng tunay na lakas. You don't expect them to change anytime soon, right?
Well, hopefully it will because now...
Not to change the battle plan, aantayin nilang dumating yan.
Yun, tama yun. Pero kasi tingnan mo rin natin. Stan Hardinger and JMF playing good music together. Now you complement with that kind of an offense with a steady shooting of Lassiter. Of course, pero dahil dun sa defense ang ginagawa nitong TNT, nawawala yung advantage ni JMF.
Rosario sumubok ulit. This time pumasok na yung tres.
Pensa for that matter. Kung meron tao parati sa gitna and every time playing secondary defense.
Pero kailangan din naman natin yan dahil tayo nga.
Playing dahil alam naman natin na ang representative natin sa international competition representing Gilas Pilipinas are our players here in the PBA. Being streaky here in the second quarter.
Castro puts it up and in. Much needed basket para sa TNT.
Nakukumpara pa kay Marshall Lassiter yan at pinapakita naman na yung comparison may konting katotohanan.
Pwede, ano? As Castro drills it, laban na naman ang TNT.
Kasama talaga sa strength ni
nice tackle play! Excellent execution by TNT. Ng Cobra Energy Drink. Walang talo. Ang 13 pesos mo, yan! Pang Sports Center ulit yan.
Ganda ng brush green.
Diyan mo kailangan yung San Miguel Beer. Pag ikay may pinagdadaanan, nothing better than to talk about it over.
Because you give that baseline hindi dapat clear entry para kay Junmar Fajardo to get closer to the basket.
Castro with a basket at Pinya pang foul.
Great defense against JMF. And the third possession, ito, ganda naman ng pag-elude ni Jason Castro para
Jason completes it. That pulls TNT backward in 2:63-61.
8-0 na to Kuya Roy.
Castro bounces to Taha. Laban na naman ng TNT.
Napakaraming tinatapong bola ito sa San Miguel, lalong-lalo na dito sa last 2 minutes of...
Lang ako mag-isip kanina.
Tama ka.
Castro from the outside. Gets TNT back.
Pinasti.
Pwede, no?
Diba?
Alam mo, up to this day, correct me if I'm wrong, Coach Archie. Si Coach Alan Kaidik pa lang ang nakita kong Pilipinong binox in one ng China. Up with a stop, Reyes on the push, gives it up to Jason. Here's the blur. Over to Miranda, the floater, bounces home.
Sessions, parehong unproductive.
Castro from straight away, kicks it to the corner. Reyes, money on the three. Kelly with the leather, hinahanap si Jason. Castro out to Troy, here it comes. Tira sa fourth and final frame. Castro directing traffic. Taha will offer that pick. Jason on the move. All the way to the cup. Slithering his way through.
Iba naman talaga yan pag nabigyan na. Couldn't buy a bucket. While on the other hand naman, just attacking the ball screen defense of Junmar Fajardo. Look at that, using his quickness once again. Itong doon sa kanyang pinapangalagaang ilong.
Castro may tangan, makikipagsayaw kay C-Stan. Gets it to Kelly, who punches it through!
Alma yung kanyang koponan and sabi din ni Christian San Hardinger, wag daw siyang tulungan when it comes sa help defense kasi nagkakagulo. Itong depensa ng SMB as Jason Castro makes that reverse layup. At
kasi shooter di ba?
Hindi pwede kasi na magstay home ngayon yung TNT rin. Kailangan pala magstay home dahil tumatama yung
TNT talagang live or die with a 3 and dahil nga bumubuka yung loob dahil sa mga tres nila nakakakilos ng ganyang kaganda. Etong si Jason.
Alam mo, nagsisimula.
Even force a turnover. Castro Bebuelo, 5 to shoot. Nandito na si Jason. Up and under si Doubler. 24 puntos para kay Jason Castro William. Third point.
Alam mo yung nakakapanghinayang yung career game ni Pesuman.
Oh.
Wala siyang chance na mag-player of the game.
Oo. Yung first up na...
Yeah.